Okay guys, welcome back to How To Use channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a private TikTok account. So the first step you're going to do is click on your profile here. The next step is click on this three-line button, and then the next step is click on settings and privacy, and when you reach here click on privacy, and this is its private account. And the private account will be able will allow you to only users to approve. Okay, it is used for only those that you approve to see your account, only those you follow. Not everybody will be seeing your account, what you post, your videos. Nobody will see it except those that you pick to be under your profile, but it will not affect those that you have been following before. So the the best thing is when you open your TikTok account, go and set it first so that um it will also be effective on the people that are following you. But if you click on it now or you go and use your private account now, it will not affect, or it will not be it will not reflect on the people that you are using that are following you before. So now if you click on it now, private account, now you can say switch to personal account as a private account. Just say switch, so you can just switch. And note guys, if you want to switch to it, please don't forget that if you switch to private account, you're going to lose your business account. So guys, make sure you know how to do this thing very well so that you will not be disappointed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.